Yeah, we'll take you out to Walls at Waikiki, and this is looking at some waves rolling in. We got some bigger surf on the way, so heads up, we're going to have some large surf for Mother's Day weekend, and we'll see that swell continue to rise as we head through our Saturday, likely peaking Saturday night into Sunday morning. So if you want the biggest waves, I think Sunday morning probably will be the biggest waves, but we might see some pretty large ones as we head into tomorrow evening. So big range for tomorrow, starting out near 5, but some spots, and not everywhere, most spots will get up to about 7 to 8 for tomorrow, but some spots, the bigger spots, have at least the potential to get up to 10. Now 10 is kind of a magic number because at 10, the National Weather Service will issue a high surf advisory. So we anticipate tomorrow, potentially as early as late tomorrow afternoon, high surf advisories for the South Shore. If not tomorrow, likely they'll be in effect for tomorrow night into Sunday. So bottom line is some big waves for South Shores. West Shore is also seeing a large rise starting at 4, and then some of the bigger spots may be up to 8 by late afternoon, early evening. Calmer conditions north, 2 to 4 there, and 3 to 5 for east. So that south swell builds through Saturday, peaking likely early on Sunday as we take you out to the South Shore. Nothing but clear skies out here, and looking at beautiful weather as we head through our Aloha Friday evening into our Mother's Day weekend. East-northeast winds 22. They've been gusty for a while, and they'll stay gusty. A couple of trade showers earlier on the windward side. They have faded away, and here on Kauai, we saw some rain for Kapa'a. That has pushed off to the west, so drying out there. Molokai looking good. Lanai usually dry there, and dry tonight as we head into windward Maui. A couple of light showers there, and not much for the Big Island yet. Into the evening and overnight, we're going to see a few passing trade showers. Nothing huge, a lot like last night. We've actually got a little bit more of a stable atmosphere developing, so I think it's going to limit our rain chances for Saturday. And even Sunday now is actually looking, we're kind of flip-flopping between an area of moisture bringing some scattered showers in, and now it doesn't look quite as impactful. We'll see a few passing trade showers, I think, for Sunday morning and Sunday night, but overall I think Mother's Day is going to be nice. And if we do see any of those passing trade showers, mainly for those windward and Mauka spots. So not a huge amount of rain anticipated. All in all, should be a nice forecast for the holiday weekend. So let's kind of take you through it. Heading into our Saturday, breezy conditions. We do have some small craft advisories for offshore waters, so heads up for boaters, those winds kicking up the seas. We'll get up to around 87 for your high. Overnight tonight, down to 74, and then we'll somewhat repeat that forecast for Mother's Day, maybe a few more trade wind showers in the morning. High of 86, and as we take you into next week, you'll notice those breezy winds continuing, highs close to 86 pretty much each and every day. And as we head towards midweek and end week, there is a chance we could see those trade winds slacken up just a bit with those east-northeast winds coming in at 10 to 20 for Thursday, Friday into Saturday. No major rainfall events, so we are shifting now into the dry season, so we're not expecting any meaningful rainfall, and we'll continue to kind of be in that pattern. Of course, hurricane season starts June 1st, so we'll have to see what happens in terms of hurricane season. But outside of that, looks like relatively dry weather with just a few passing trade showers in our future for the extended forecast.